I am going to pull the fire alarm at Chuck E. Cheese's, even though my parents said no.
Alright, everyone. Today, oh no, I heard something.
Junior, how dare you pull the fire alarm at Chuck E. Cheese's? You know that people are scared of the fire alarm. When the fire alarm goes off, they go back inside until the system is normal. That's it. I'm calling your parents right now.
Hello. You will not believe that Junior just pulled the fire alarm at Chuck E. Cheese's. He just pulled the fire alarm and he runs outside and the people just scared and they go exit from the building. Can you please pick him up? Okay? Bye.
Junior, how dare you pull the fire alarm at Chuck E. Cheese's? When the fire alarm goes off, they must go back inside. That's it. You are grounded for.
Three seven five eight 3654 93578 4378
Go to your room right now.